Wake up to the serene embrace of an idyllic English morning at Merlin Heights student accommodation nestled in the vibrant heart of Leicester. Lavish studio and ensuite apartments are meticulously designed to elevate your student experience to new heights. Each vibrant room boasts a cozy bed that stands tall against a panoramic window, inviting the morning sunlight to dance across your space. The well-lit study desk beckons for long hours of scholarly pursuits, while fitted shelves and palatial wardrobes ensure ample storage to keep your sanctuary organized and clutter-free. After a fulfilling day of academic endeavors, unwind and share moments of joy with friends in the stunning Sky Lounge and the fun games area. Rest easy knowing that all bills are seamlessly included in your rent, sparing you the hassle of juggling multiple expenses. Conveniently located just a stone's throw away from the West Bridge bus stop, you can effortlessly journey to De Montfort University or Echo Factory University in a merely 15-minute ride. For nature enthusiasts, Abbey Park and Castle Park beckon nearby, offering a tranquil retreat amidst Leicester's urban bustle. On weekends, indulge in a culinary journey at Frankie and Benny's or Roma Italian restaurant, savoring exquisite wine and delectable Italian cuisine. Experience the epitome of student living at Merlin Heights, your sanctuary in the heart of Leicester. Book your haven today at amberstudent.com.